Samsung has exploded higher plus 5.84% to $317,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, May 29th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Global equities are pushing higher. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.58%, at $7,563.63. Investor sentiment is being shaped by a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.84%, at $30,224. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $50,669, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. DAX is trading higher by plus 0.34%, at $25,178. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.33%, at $10,460. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung surged plus 5.84% to $317,000 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as AI boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft surged plus 3.47% to $426.99 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and AI strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. BHP climbed plus 2.91% to $62.31. Equity markets are responding to reports that BHP locked in stiff iron ore price talks with China's state-owned buyer, Nikkei Asia. Reliance is down minus 2.12%, trading at $1,321.90. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Ambani's Reliance Jio, businesses and investors of the IPO-bound firm. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $90.95 per barrel, down 2.95% on the session. The move follows reports that oil markets on the brink. Why today's calm may be hiding a historic supply shock, Financial Sense. WTI crude dropped sharply to $87.25 per barrel, down 1.86% on the session. The move follows reports that oil markets on the brink. Why today's calm may be hiding a historic supply shock, Financial Sense. Natural gas edged higher to $3.32, up 1.07% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. Gold climbed to $4,568 per troy ounce, up 1.53% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold's safe haven appeal weakens, StoneX. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, The next key resistance for Samsung sits around $336,020. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.24% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.02% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.29, losing 0.17% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.